Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Destiny Rodgel. 674-670-2114. Today, I would like to share with you a meaningful story about the second Benyan on Sa Luang Ton Sai, located in Mu 11 Karaket Sub-District, Chiang Mai District in southern Thailand. The story: many years ago, during the construction of the Chawat Prek Muang Canal, which was part of the Pak Phanang Basin Development Project under the royal initiative of His Majesty Bhumibol Adulyadej, something extraordinary happened. A large Asian Banyan tree stood directly across the canal past worker boats in heavy machine to remove its bark. Every time the engine started, they suddenly broke down. The village believed his banyan tree was second, so they made offering and prayed for permission. Later, when the village present this story to His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej, His Majesty listened with deep interest. He did not see it as superstition, but as a reflection of the people's faith and tradition. Out of the compassion and respect, His Majesty ordered the Chai Patana Foundation to establish a royal shrine as the site following ancient royal custom. Her Royal Highness Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn kindly provides the budget, and the design was created by A.Y. Mashat Awut Nganchupin, the former Director General of the Fire Arts Department. When construction was complete, the Royal Ceremonial Division carefully calculates the most cost picture moment, and on Friday, October 29, 2004, the sacred Banyan Chai was considered in a holy ceremony led by the royal Brahmin. Today, the second Banyan Chai is more than just a place of worship. It's a symbol of praise. It's a cultural landmark, and it is a living reminder of His Majesty boundless kindness and wisdom. People from the Pak Phanang Basin, as well as visitors across Thailand and even from countries like Singapore and Malaysia, come here to pray their respect. Ladies and gentlemen, the second Banyan Chai stands as an eternal monument of love, compassion, and the timeless bond between the king and his people. Thank you for watching.